Hello and welcome. You're now looking at gmail.com. And this is a very popular application in order to manage your incoming and outgoing email. However, it is insufficient in order to contact customers or prospects that you acquire over the course of doing business. The same is going to be true for platforms such as Outlook and others like it, where you manage your personal email. For example, you would not want to place the email addresses of everyone that becomes your customer into an email and send it for promotional purposes from this kind of email address. The same is going to be true if you are sending from a domain other than one such as Gmail or Microsoft Email. Even if you are using your own domain, it's not a good practice for you to send emails from an email box that you personally manage. You may manage a membership on the web or in a WordPress platform, and you are given email broadcast capabilities. Once again, while it's possible to utilize a platform like this for specific occasions, it's not a good idea to use it for marketing purposes over a long period of time. Learning management systems and course management systems give you the ability to send a broadcast email to specific students. And as is the case with the other ways, this is not a long-term solution in order to market to specific customers and prospects in your business. You can find companies suitable for this practice by going to your favorite search engine and typing in email service providers. You'll have a number of options available to you. And there are companies such as Constant Contact, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, and if you're willing to use an interface and make a connection, you can use Amazon's simple email service. Again, this kind of service does require an interface in order to make it work as an email marketing platform. Now, for the sake of this course, we are going to work primarily with the email service provider MailChimp. However, what we'll be doing will apply to any service that you choose. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.